I've come back to my favourite breakfast place, just in this little alleyway here. This is Sunday and it's very quiet. It's just gone 7:30. I'm having stir-fried veggies and we're going to put an egg on top. I came past here the other day and this market was chock-a-block, but it is Sunday and it's a little bit quieter. Ah, Kopong Kap. Oh, it's okay here?
ได้ค่ะ
I'm just going to sit down right here in this little laneway. And this meal cost 35 baht, which is just over $1. Cup and cup. Say prick.
เอาพริกไหม
Yeah.
เดี๋ยว
Cup
แป๊
and
บนึ
cup.
งแป๊บนึง
I just asked for some fresh chilies. Oh, look at this. Have a look at this. Oh, alright, nah?
พอไหม
Yeah.
พอไหม
Okay. It's Sunday morning and that breakfast was a roy mark. Very, very tasty. I ate too much chili and my nose is running. Look, it's very quiet here. A lot of the shops are closed and you know, it's really just a day off, but I thought let's just go for a walk around here and just see what we can discover. You know, just go for a walk for 15 minutes and see what the camera can find. It's very quiet compared to a normal weekday. I've got this lady, she has a cart full of bananas. Sappy cup. Looks very nice.
ขาเขาลงเสร็จแล้วนะเสร็จโอ้โหแม่งขอไอเจเมื่อเช้าตี 5ถึง 7 โมงเช้ายังไม่ทันจะได้เลยเนี่ยได้เจอเศร้าเปิดพุกสนิทดูเลือดกินเหลือใช้หนุ่มๆตั้งมองกัน
กระโชกครับ นี่อะไรครับ
ปลาดุกฟิช
Yeah, ปลา
ปลา
ปลา From Chao Phraya
ฮะ
From the river Chao Phraya River แม่น้ำ Okay ทำอาหาร
อันนี้
ทำอะไรครับ Oh
หมูย่าง
หมูย่าง
ซีฟู้ด
Yep So he has I think that's pork in there Wow Can't
Pig.
see
พริก
Pig Yes that's pig
โอเคฟิช
And he has fish down here
แม่น้
from Mae Nam
ำ
Yeah So this fish is from the Chao Phraya River Kopong Kap
เยี่ยม
อร่อยนะ
อร่อย
We've only just walked 100 metres and we've already just found some really good street vibes. This area is just full of excitement, I reckon. You know, you can get up to the main street in Chinatown where it's really busy with all the restaurants, but this is where I believe it really happens, is in the back streets here. You know, we're probably maybe 500 metres to Yarrawat Road and we're back this way, so it's obviously a lot quieter and yeah, I love these streets, man. Absolutely love them.
มาเก็บเลยเขียวร้อนไหน
Hello.
Hello
Good morning. These are people's houses through here. Some of them are businesses. They kind of spill out into the pathway here. Wish I could show you on some of these barns. Barn means house. They're really tiny. It's just a room, maybe just a couple of rooms. One out the front, which is generally their lounge room, and they have the big TV. And it's Sunday morning, and they're all just doing their thing.
เราก็เหมือนกันแหละขาแต่เขาอย่างนี้จะเป็นเปลือกดีแล้วใช่ไหม
Selfie. Howdy, Club. Little shops just poke out from their house. Let's see what he's selling. Saudi Crab.
สวัสดีครับ
He has everything here you can need, from all the toys, all up there. Kanom, which is our sweet. And he has, you know, it's a small grocery store really. I love the old doors, beautiful colours, really old style. Really feels like you are in another place altogether. This is an interesting little place. It's
What?
you get haircut here.
Yes, yes.
Tao Rai Cup.
Barber.
Barber.
Yeah.
Tao Rai.
เท่าไหร่
150 บาท
150
150.
ใช่
150. So it's a little barber. It's okay just for looking. So in here you get.
open
Oh, not now. Not now. Not now. I have already. But the little area there for getting your hair cut. Wow. Look at this stuff.
ชอบอีก
Saudi.
สวัสดีครับ
Saudi Cup. Dao.
เต่าครับเต่าทะเลทราย
Dao Tale.
เต่าทะเลทราย
Dao Tale Sai.
ใช่
So this is a sea turtle.
เยอะปั๊บ
Hugh. Hungry. Hugh.
สเต็ก
Kapun. Are you Tao Rai Club?
อะไรครับ อายุ2 ปี 3 เดือน
Songbi.
3 เดือน
Songbi Samdun means 2 years and 3 months. That turtle was his pet. How about that? Beautiful colours, hey? And as he said, it's from the ocean. Of course it is, but you got to listen carefully. You know, it's there's a lot in the Thai pronunciation that happens very quickly, and you just got to listen intently. Otherwise, you can just miss things.